Okay. All right. Sometimes you just need the sunlight to be on your side, and it's not. Let's just roll with it. All good. Hello, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. Well. If it couldn't be the Crafty YouTubers United Christmas Collaboration 2024. A huge thank you to Tracy from Mini Scenes GB for getting all of these collaborations together. This one I have been super excited for. Let's see what I get into. And also, do not forget, there are going to be many, many fun crafty videos happening. So they will all be linked down below. So have yourself a merry little crafty holiday fest. No? Okay. Let's get started, you guys. So I bought these adorable silicone holiday molds from a grocery store a couple years ago, and I've never used them. I actually went ahead and cut them out so that they were two molds to a situation. And I think I got these from Lidl. I know I did not get them from Aldi. I think they're from Lidl, but they were super cheap. I'm going to eventually actually make my own molds out of these once I have some pieces casted, just so that I can have them as a clear silicone mold option. That way I can incorporate UV resin into them. Because of this opaque green, UV resin is not going to be its friend. Anyhow, so I have the coolest idea. I went ahead and mixed up some 1-to-1 epoxy resin, and I'm going to separate it into 2 different cups so I can have 2 different colors. And the coolest thing that I have seen, and I actually saw this on one of those YouTube videos where they feature like finds from the Dollar Tree. Then I happened to be at the Dollar Tree and I found them, but they are these cups, these holiday cups that are actually like, it's like there's a little, they're 2 cups in one. It's like, I think they're made for like an alcoholic drink where you put like alcohol in the middle and like a chaser around it. I don't know, but I thought, oh my goodness gracious, let's try a dirty pour with these and let's see how it goes. I'm so excited. I think this is going to be so awesome, and they're way cheaper than those silicone cups that are the divider cups for resin that we can get online. I mean, this whole pack cost me $1.25. So let's see how it goes. I decided that I was going to go with a very simple green, this beautiful, like deep green color. This is a pigment paste from Resin 8. Sadly, Resin 8 is not a company anymore. They are not with us anymore. I love them so much, so I'm going to be sad when this pigment paste is gone. And I am also using Let's Resin Interference Green powder. So that guy's gonna go right in the center situation of this cup. And then I'm gonna carefully pour the deep green on the outside. Kind of had to, so caveat with that, I realized I wasn't gonna be able to put in as much green as I wanted. But so I had to do this in a couple pours. All good, no worries. So at this point, I am ready to see what is going to happen. See if I can get a cute little dirty pour going. So I figured I would start with the star and the snowman. I almost said snowflake. The star and the snowman. Let's start with those, okay? Let's see how this goes. And of course I'm thinking, this has got to be enough resin for both, right? This cup has got to have enough resin for both the snowman and the star. Nope. No, definitely not. But are we seeing this? This is working so well, and it actually was just enough resin for one of the molds. So I'm thinking that this is probably about 3 ounces of resin that I can fit into this 2-compartment cup for a dirty pour. So I had to keep kind of going back and filling it in again, going back, filling it in. All good, not a huge deal. So I go ahead and restock this little guy. Restock. Okay, that's not even that funny. I was thinking stocking, you know, like for Christmas. All right. And I am so sorry, you guys. I don't know what I'm like sometimes. I literally filled up the reindeer completely not in frame. So he's on the bottom left. And so with the star, I just kind of did my own little dirty pour, like pouring in a little bit of the interference green and then the dark green, interference green, dark green. So I kind of did that one manually. So I know, I don't know what I'm like. And then by the time I was ready to do the wreath, all I had was the deep green left. And you can barely see me pouring that deep green in there because I'm not in shot. So sorry. I don't think it would be a Never Perfect Resin video if I didn't do something like that, right? So we're just going to go with it. And just like that, magic, it is the next day. 24 hours later, so we are ready to demold these guys and see what we've got. I'm going to kind of do the most boring one first. Not that it's boring. It's a beautiful wreath, but this is the one that was just that straight deep green color. And I think it is absolutely adorable. To finish it off, I probably will be painting the little berries and ribbons, either with a red paint marker, maybe I'll do gold or a chrome color, but I'm not going to do that yet because I want to cast a clear silicone mold out of these. So the only thing with this mold is that there are a couple little like scratches that you can see in the center. Again, not that upset about it because honestly, I think it'd be cute to put like a little holiday sticker in the center or a tattoo or something and then kind of do a clear resin top coat inside. You know what I mean? If I can get that done before the holidays, I will show you what I'm talking about, but I think that would be really cute. All right, so next up, here we go. This is the exciting stuff, you guys. Our little reindeer. Okay, let's see if this dirty pour Dollar Tree cup technique worked. And oh my gosh, it totally worked. It's beautiful. I love this so much. I think the reindeer might be my favorite. The effects are pretty much spot on perfect. I love how it really kind of is giving that ombre effect from the deep green all the way to on the left antler, kind of going into a medium color green where, you know, the light and the dark meet. And then that antler on the right is more of the interference green. Beautiful. Love it. All right, so now we've got our star and our snowman. So let's go ahead and take out the star and see what he looks like. And I think he is going to be shining bright. I do think so. Let's see. Are you going to be shining bright, sir? Yes, yes, he's shining bright. Oh, I love it so much. This is genius. I love this. You guys go to the Dollar Tree, get these double compartment cups. They're in the cup section. You can absolutely reuse these so that you're not wasting all the time. Just, you know, grab some isopropyl alcohol and a paper towel and just wipe out the resin from there. Anything that's left in there is going to cure up and then you can easily use them again. So loving this. All right, our snowman. Let's go with the snowman and let's see what he looks like. Oh, he's so gorgeous. Oh, he is so cute, so dapper, very festive. Very, very happy with how these turned out. Absolutely gorgeous. What do you guys think? Pretty cool, huh? I'm very happy with how they turned out. And I do plan on, after I make my own clear silicone mold with these guys, I'm going to spruce them up, zhuzh them up, and they will be going out to family members, friends, maybe a few teachers as ornaments for gifts. So I'm very, very excited about that. Love, love, love this result, you guys. I would love to know what you think in the comments down below. Which is your favorite? Do you think this technique works just as well as any other dirty pour cup that you can get? And again, I want to reiterate, love the Crafty YouTuber United 2024 collaborations. Again, Tracy from Mini Scenes GB, she puts these together and she has been doing a fantastic job, and it gives you guys a wonderful opportunity to get some holiday inspiration, some DIY inspo, right? All right, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this one. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. That always helps out my channel. Anyone that has given me a super thanks, I appreciate and thank you so very much. Just helps me keep this channel going, and I so appreciate the love and the support. And happy holidays, everybody. Until the next one, I'll see you later. Bye.